Hello everyone, this is Kumar Amrint and I am Assistant Professor at Department of CS and IT, Jharkhand Rai University. So in today's video we will see the introduction to Moodle and we will also see what are the uses of Moodle, what are the benefits of using Moodle, and also some practical implementation from the students end, that how we can log in into the Moodle and how we can mark our attendance and how to access the course materials, that are the videos, PPT, PDF and quiz, how to appear in quiz. So let's start with the introduction to Moodle. So what is a Moodle? So Moodle is a free software e-learning platform that is also known as LMS, that is Learning Management System, Virtual Learning Environment and Course Management System. Okay, so these are the learning management system. In this what we do is that teacher for online course access, teacher sends the materials and we can access from our own location or remotely. So the acronym of Moodle is Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Let's see what can be done in the Moodle. Moodle can easily be used to create, deliver and manage web-based contents for courses. So what are the web-based contents? The web-based contents are the contents which can be accessed over the web page or website. We can add online elements. So these are all from the teacher's end. So that we will do, and what you have to do is that you have to see these types of the course, the audio, video, documents, PDF, all the files and the notes which we will provide to you. So we can attach files, link to resources, create interesting classroom environment, and it is easily manage. It can easily manage our course, and it will never lose your work. And it can also use to continue our class discussion online. So during this pandemic we will start our classes as online, and it is help to we can also use discussion forums in this. So let's see some practical implementation of Moodle, that how we will use the Moodle in the upcoming classes. So first of all we have to start with this user ID, that is this link, that is https://grumoodle.in, and in this we have to feed our login ID credentials, that are the usernames and password. So the username is the contents before @gmail.com of your email ID. For example, if someone is having his email ID as abc123@gmail.com, then his username will be abc123, and the password is being sent to you in your registered email ID. So I hope all of you have at least once reset your password. So when we will go through Moodle, that means when we will write www.grumoodle.in, then this page will open. So what is there in this page? This is the login page, and we have to insert our username and password over here. So this is my username, that is Test Amrint, and similarly you can write your password here, and you can simply log in to this your account. After that the dashboard will be opened, and inside the dashboard you can have the relevant courses for which you are being assigned, such as I am being assigned for this basic of computers and scientific communication, computer graphics, internet and website management, and so on. So you can also see these all the list of courses which you are being assigned. So here are my courses. These are the courses which I have been enrolled. तो इसी तरह से आप लोग के भी बहुत सारे कोर्सेज यहाँ पे होंगे, और यहाँ पे अपकमिंग इवेंट्स आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि अभी क्या है, अटेंडेंस कब बनाना है, वी हैव टू सबमिट योर assignments, assessment. See here in the timeline section you are getting the assessment 3 is due. So as the class continue, we will see all these things in our real time experiments. And for today what we have to do is that you can see this is the course page. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे जो भी हमारा कोर्स का जो सब्जेक्ट का डिटेल्स होता है दैट इज़ बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड ओवर हेयर, एंड द लेसन प्लान ट्रैकिंग्स, असेसमेंट, असाइनमेंट, and your attendance also. The most important things of Moodle is that you have to mark your attendance. So after this we are also providing you lectures week wise, and in week if you are having 2 lectures or 3 lectures, then inside that week wise content, so you are given your lecture wise content, that is lecture 1, lecture 2, and inside that you are having your, this is video, this is lecture notes, that is PDF, and also discussion forum. So in every class you have to go through the videos and the notes, and after completing the video and notes you have to join the discussion forum. And in the discussion forum you can do collaborative learning, such as if I am asking for any question, and if some another student knows that answer, then he can also reply to that forum. This is the attendance section. यहाँ पे since I haven't attended these classes, so I have marked been absent and 0/2, that is my attendance status. So I have created one demo for demo attendance for you. So let's see the practical implementation of this demo, how we can do this. So this is so here what we have to do, we have to write gru-moodle.in and press enter, and inside that I have to give my username and password, and after that I have to select login. जब ये एक बार login हो जाता है पेज, तो we can find the courses through which in which we are enrolled. So यहाँ पे I can see that I am being enrolled in these much courses. तो ऐसे आप लोगों को भी दिखेगा कि what are the courses you are being enrolled. So let's take an example of हाँ, यहाँ पे टाइमलाइन एक बार व्यू कर लेते हैं. दिस इज़ द टाइमलाइन विच इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग यू द असेसमेंट 3 इज़ ड्यू. तो कब का असेसमेंट 3 है, दैट इज़ 1 अक्टूबर. तो लास्ट डेट ऑफ सबमिशन ऑफ दिस असेसमेंट 3 इज़ 1 अक्टूबर. Here you can see the upcoming events. What are the upcoming events? Also you can find out here that on 2nd October we are having a Gandhi Jayanti. So everything is provided over here. You can also see the online users over here. So let's go to one course, that is computer graphics. So inside this computer graphics you can find the course objective and your syllabus, course outcomes, each and everything related to your course. Also there is a lesson plan track which you can get in all the in monthly basis. Also attendance, there is attendance. Inside week 1, let's see that we are having lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3. So what is this lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3? So let's see lecture 1 में क्या है. हाँ, तो lecture 1 में जब we have clicked, then we have redirect to the video. तो यहाँ पे हम वीडियो देखते हैं, and after watching this video what we have to do, we have to go through this notes. We have to select this one, check this one, and after that notes, and after notes we have to join this discussion forum. तो ये हो गया discussion forum तक की बात. अब how to mark your attendance, let's see that. So for marking your attendance, what we have to do is first of all go to this attendance, and here we can see attendance on our all attendance, all past this month and this week. So we can go through this week. इस week में कितने classes थे? So I am having 3 classes on this week. 2 are the regular sections, regular class session, and the third one is the demo for introduction to Moodle, which I have created for a demo class for now. And what you have to do, you have to click on this submit attendance, and after clicking on this submit attendance you have to select absent. Here it is showing that absent and excuse. Also you will get present mark, so you will select this types of present or late, and you will click on the save changes. So these all things you have to do in your introduction to Moodle, and I will go through each and every topics tomorrow in your first Moodle class. So thank you for today.